warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very pleasant day I bid to everyone. I am Intan Fitri Aisyah binti Hamzah, and today I will be doing my opinion speech entitled Money Can Buy Happiness. Money is of course very important for a human being to lead a decent and satisfying life. Although we grow up thinking that money is not everything, but then in this world we need money to get many things. Some people also believe that money is the root of all evil and it could cause many bad things. But contrary to that, personally, I believe that money can bring many positive things to humans, and one of them is happiness. So to support my opinion today, I will give you 3 reasons why I think money can buy us happiness. So straight away to my first point, which is money can buy us happiness because we could afford anything that we want if we have enough money. Money enables us to buy what's necessary in our life. For example, we could buy beautiful clothes, food to eat, and even a house to stay. All of these things would grant us the stability in our life, thus give us a lot of happiness. Money can also enable us to pay for college and acquire us a better education, thus gets a better job in the future. Those with money do not have to worry about living from paycheck to paycheck or whether a bill is going to get paid or not. In many poor continents such as Africa, Laos and Cambodia, millions of people live in misery due to extreme poverty. They are deprived of happiness. Thus, it makes me think about how much happiness money is capable of bringing. Some people might say that money cannot buy happiness because we can only spend it on material objects and it could only bring us a momentary happiness. But then, money can also give us a lasting happiness, which brings me to my second point, which is we could gain sweet moments in our life if we have enough money. I know that there are a lot of people in this world with no money and they are quite satisfied with their life and they still have a sweet moment in their life. However, what I'm going to say about this point is, with money, we can get a lot of sweet moments by traveling around the world. I am pretty sure that all of you have heard about the idioms, money makes the world go around, which means that if we have enough money, we can go anywhere that we want in this world. When traveling, we will get a lot of experiences that not everyone can get. For example, you can capture the moment in different places, observe the situation that will give you a lot of knowledge, and this kind of thing never get old. Even a recent study from Cornell University has found that spending money on experiences and moments can bring humans a lasting happiness. Thus, this proves that money can actually buy happiness to humans. Last but not least, money can buy us happiness because we can help those in need if we have enough money. This is because having money allows us to donate, doing charity, and helping those who need money. While helping other people with our own money, it would bring us a great satisfaction in our life. This satisfaction will of course lead to happiness. In this context, we are not the only one who feel the happiness, but also the people who we have helped. Great, isn't it? So to recap, I've stated my 3 reasons why I think money can bring happiness to humans. This is due to the opportunities money allows us to create. With money, we can buy anything that we want, have new experiences, and help those needy that in the end would result in the increase of our overall happiness. So in conclusion, there is the truth in the statement that money can buy happiness. Although many people may argue that it is family, life experiences, or getting respect from other people that make us happy, money can make these things more accessible, which in part allow us to become a happier person altogether. So I think that's all from me. So thank you and have a great day.